See, this is the 10th problem up to 920. A body of mass 0.4 kilogram moving initially with a constant speed of 10 meter per second to the north is subjected to a constant force of 8 Newton directed towards the south for 30 seconds. Take the instant of the force is applied to be t is equal to 0. The position of the body at the time to be x is equal to 0 and predicts the position at t is equal to minus 5 seconds, 25 seconds, 100 seconds. Okay. So here first, a body of mass 0.4 kilogram. So what do we write? Mass 0.4 kilogram moving initially with constant speed. Initial speed u. Initial speed u is equal to what? 10 meter per second. Okay, to the north. So here I am drawing the figure. This is the north pole, this is the south pole. This total is positive, this is negative. Is subject to a constant force of 8 Newton. So force they are given as 8 Newton directed towards the south. Directed towards the south means south direction. So this is negative, that's why I am writing as minus. Okay, for 30 seconds, how much they are given? Time t is equal to 30 seconds. Take the instant of the force is applied to be t is equal to 0. Force when it is applied, time t is equal to 0. The position of the body at that time will be x is equal to 0 and predicts the position t is equal to minus 5 seconds, 25 seconds, 100 seconds. So what is the meaning of this one? Means the time lies between 0 to 30 seconds. The time lies between 0 to 30 seconds. So first case, how much they are given? T is equal to minus 5 seconds. So t is equal to minus 5 seconds. So this minus 5 seconds, it does not lie between the 0 to 30 seconds. So what is the value we have to write it? So first, what is the formula? S is equal to ut plus of 80 square. So here, what is the value we have to write? U is nothing but initial speed 10. Next, here time t. Time is how much? Minus 5. Okay, and next 1 by 2. A acceleration is what? 0. Why? Because it does not lie between the 0 to 30 seconds. So there is no acceleration. And t square is nothing but minus 5. Therefore, this total become what? 0. 0 into something is what? 0. So what is the value? S is equal to minus 50 meter. This is the first value. For t is equal to minus 5 seconds. Another formula also we can take. Speed is equal to distance by time. Distance is equal to speed into time. Okay. Next. Case 2. Case 2, what if they are given? T is equal to 25 seconds. T is equal to 25 seconds. So here it lies between 0 to 30. So here what is the acceleration? What is the acceleration? Here force how much they are given? Minus 80. And they are given what? Mass they are given 0.4 kilograms. So what is the formula? F is equal to ma. A is equal to what? F by m. F is how much? Minus 8 meters. Mass is how much? 0.4. So what is the value you should write? Minus 8 divided by 0.4 can be as 4 by 10. So what is the value? Minus, if it comes up 8 into 10 divided by 4, the meaning is 4 ones are 4 twos are. So what is the value? Minus 20. This is acceleration. So what is the unit? Acceleration means meter per second square. So this is the acceleration. So for t is equal to 25 seconds, what we will write the form? S is equal to ut plus half at square. So here initial speed is 25 seconds plus 1 by 2 acceleration is how much? Minus 20. Okay, and t square means what? 25 whole square. So 2 ones are 2 tens are. So what is the value? 250. 10 into 25 is 250. 25 square 625 to 10 is what? 6250. So minus 6250, that is nothing but minus 6000 meters. Minus 6000 meters. So in other words, what we can write? Minus 6 kilometers also we can write it. Minus 6 kilometers also we can write it. So here minus 6 kilometers we can write. Okay. So this is t is equal to 25 seconds. Next. Now the third case, they are given as t is equal to 100 seconds. So here what I should write? T is equal to 100 seconds. So here it lies between 0 to 30, not 100. So what is the meaning of this one? 100 lies. So what I should write? It lies between 0 to 30 and 30 to 100. 30 to 100. So what is the value we are writing for 30? So time 30 minus 0 is equal to 30. So what is the formula we should write? S is equal to ut plus half 80 square. S is equal to ut plus half 80 square. So you have to remember acceleration value is minus 20 meter per second square. So I write here acceleration value is minus 20 meter per second square. What we got it. So here S is equal to ut plus half 80 square. So u is initial speed. How much they are given? 10. Time is 30. Okay, plus 1 by 2. J is minus 20 and at t square means time 30 whole square. So 2 ones are 2 tens are. So what is the value? 300 minus plus to minus 900. 900 means 9000. So what is the value we can get it as? 9000 minus 300. So 0 0. This 8, so this is 7 and this is 8. So what is the value we can get it as? Minus 8700 meters. Minus 8700 meters. So this is the distance. Now here what they are given for the t is equal to 100 they are given. So first this is the first bit. So for the second bit, what we are going to do? Let us do at t is equal to 30 seconds. What is the in final velocity? V is equal to u plus 80. V is equal to u plus 80. So what is the value we got it as? V is equal to u. U is how much? Initial speed 10. Plus A means how much? Minus 20. Time is 10. So what is the value? 10 minus 600. So what is the value we got it as? Minus 590 meter per second. 590 meter per second. Now here they are given, they are moving at a how much? Minus, sorry, 100 seconds they said. Means 100 minus 30 is 70. So for this one, to find out the distance. So here what is the formula? Speed is equal to distance by time. So distance is equal to speed into time. So what is the meaning of this one? Distance. Distance I am representing as x. Speed. Speed is how much? Minus 590 into time. Time is how much? Here 100 minus 30. Why? Because it is moving from 30 to 100. So here 100 minus 30 is how much? 70. So this is 70. So here two zeros are there. So I am giving two zeros. 7 nines are 63. 3, 6, 7, 5 is 35, 41. So here what happens? This is a distance. This is the meters. 41,300 meters. Now what is the total distance? Total distance. What is the total distance? Minus 41300. And another distance is what? 0 to 30. 0 to 30, how much we got it? Minus 8,700 meters. So what is the value here? Minus 41300. Next 8,700. 0, 0, 0, 1, 9, 10. So the meaning is 50,000 meters. So minus 50,000 meters. 0, 10, 1. So here what happens? Minus 50,000 meters. So we can write as minus 50 kilometers. Minus 50 kilometers. So here the confusion is of only t is equal to 100 seconds. Most of the students listen carefully. T is equal to 100 seconds, but the condition is what? It lies between 0 to 30 seconds. So here 0 to 30 means 30 minus 0 is added as 30, and moving from 30 to 100 means 100 minus 30 is 70. So for this one 0 to 30 it lies directly. I will apply the formula. So I got this value. Next for 30 to 100 I should do like this. So t is equal to 30 seconds. First v is equal to e plus at. I will find out the final velocity. I got this one. How many times? How much is the time? 70. So what is the formula? Distance is equal to speed into time. This much speed it is moving. How much time? 70 seconds. So I got this value. So total distance, this plus this, if I add it, I will get this value. Minus 50 kilometer. Got it. Now, a truck starts from rest and accelerates uniformly at t is equal to, at 2 meter per second square. At t is equal to 10 seconds, a stone is dropped by a person standing on the top of the truck, 6 meter high from the ground. What is the velocity and acceleration of the stone at t is equal to 11 seconds? So a truck starts from rest means what is the meaning of this? From rest it is starting. Initial velocity, initial velocity is 0. Okay, and accelerates uniformly at t is equal to, accelerates uniformly. Acceleration means acceleration is 2 meter per second square. Acceleration is 2 meter per second square. At a time t is equal to 10 seconds. At time t is equal to 10 seconds, a stone is dropped by a person standing on the top of the truck. So first, the truck is like this. I am drawing the figure. This is the truck USB. Initially, it is at rest when initial velocity is 0. After that, what happens? After coming up to here, after 10 seconds, This is at rest position. After 10 seconds, after 10 seconds, the person, what he did? He dropped the stone. He dropped the stone from here like this. He dropped the stone directly like this. Then what happens? Standing on the top of the truck, and its height is how much? 6 meter high from the ground. What is the velocity? What is the velocity? So when he throws the object, with some velocity. So this is the velocity. So this velocity is divided into two components. One is the horizontal component, and there is the vertical component. So this is nothing but what? Theta. So here what happens? Vx and this is Vy. Why this theta? Why? Because in this direction, means in this direction. That's why it is theta. So from here, what is the value we can write it as? Vx is equal to ux plus ax into t. This is one form. And for this one, what is the value? Vy is equal to uy plus ay into t. Okay. So what is the value we have to apply? What is the value we have to apply? So here Vx is equal to, what is ux? Ux means initial is what? It is 0. Plus ax is nothing but what? 2 meter per second square into time. Time is how much? Time is 10 seconds. So therefore this is nothing but 20 meter per second. Okay. Next, in the similar way, Vy means what? Uy plus a by t. That is the formula. Vy is equal to uy plus a by t. So uy is what? Initial. It is 0. Plus ay. Here what is here? Here they are given acceleration. How much they are given? 11 seconds. So here already 10 seconds are taken. 10 plus 1 is 11. So only 1. So acceleration is 1 into time. So here what is there? Time. Time is nothing but only 1 second. 1 second. And acceleration due to gravity. So right, acceleration due to gravity is a by 10 meter per second square, and this is nothing but 1 second. So this is our right to understand. Second, this is also 1 second. So 10 plus 1 is 11. So what is the value we can get as? 10 meter per second. So Vx, Vy. So they are asking velocity. So for this one, velocity means what we are trying. V is equal to root of Vx square plus Vy square. So what is the value? Root of Vx square means 20 whole square. 20 whole square plus Vy square is what? 10 whole square. So what is the answer? 20 whole square means what? 400 plus 10 whole square is what? 100. Therefore the answer is what? Root of 500. Here what is there? What I should write? Meter per second. So in other words, what is the value we can write it as? 10 root 5 meter per second. 10 root 5 meter per second. This is the velocity. Now to find out the acceleration, what we have to do? To find out the acceleration, what we have to do? To find out the acceleration. To find out the acceleration of this stone. So here, what I am doing? I am extending like this. So this is Vx means this is also Vx. If this is Vy, this is also, right? So Vx value, what is the value we got it as? Vx is 20 and Vy is 10. So from here, direction. So to find out the direction, what we have to do it? Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So Vy divided by Vx. Vy is how much? 10. Vx means what? 20. Therefore 0 is cancelled. That is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is 0.5. So theta is equal to tan inverse of 0.5. Okay. Next, they are asking the acceleration of the truck. Acceleration of the truck and at t is equal to 11 seconds. So here what happens? This is the direction of acceleration. So theta is equal to tan inverse of 0.5. Okay. Next. So they are asking the acceleration of the stone. So acceleration of the stone. So in this one, what happens? See, truck starts from rest means we are studying like this. Okay. So this is the truck when it is at rest position and accelerates uniformly at t is equal to 2 meter per second square, a is equal to 2 meter per second square. At t is equal to 10 seconds, a stone is dropped. Means what is the meaning of this one? So this is a truck after 10 seconds, a stone was dropped. A stone is dropped. So what is the acceleration they are asking? So when the stone is dropped, the object falls vertically. So what is the meaning of this one? Means it is acting under the acceleration due to gravity. So here what is the meaning of this one? F is equal to mg. F is equal to mg. So some force, field of force is applied. So F means what? ma and this is mg. So mm cancel. A is equal to g. So the meaning is A is equal to g means what? 10 meter per second square. Directly when the object falls also we can say that A is equal to 10 meter per second square. So this is about the acceleration. Now 13th question you see. A man of mass 70 kg standing on the weighing scale in a lift which is moving. So what is the solution? First, mass of the man is 70 kg. Okay, standing on the weighing scale, a lift which is moving. So let us assume this is the lift. Okay. Now this is the machine, weighing machine. So the mass of the man is 70 kg. So I'll write it like this. Mass of the man is 70 kg. Standing on the weighing scale. Standing on the weighing scale. Mass of the man, which is moving upwards with a uniform speed of 10 meter per second. Uniform speed means acceleration is 0. You have to remember. Uniform speed means acceleration is 0. Okay. So what is the meaning of this one? So what we are studying? This is the mg and this is the normal reaction. So from here what is the value? I'll write as r here, anything. So here what I should write? R is equal to m into g. So the meaning is m, mass of the man how much they are given? 70 into g, acceleration due to gravity 10. Therefore the answer is 700 newtons. 700 newtons. Okay. Now R is equal to mg. So this is the first part. Now here downwards with the uniform acceleration. Here you see this is the uniform speed. This is what? Uniform acceleration. Downwards with the uniform acceleration. So downwards with the uniform acceleration means what is the meaning of this one? See. So here downwards This is a lift. This is the machine. So the mass of the man is here, right? Now this is mg, and this is a normal reaction. Okay, and downwards with a uniform acceleration. Downwards means so uniform acceleration. How much that given? 5 meter per second square. 5 meter per second square. Downwards. So downwards means what I should take? mg first. mg minus r is equal to m into v. m into, from here what is the value you should write? mg minus ma is equal to r. From here what is the value? M if I take common, g minus a is equal to r. Okay. So what is the mass of the man? 70 into g means acceleration due to gravity 10. A, how much they are given? This is 5. There is nothing but r. 70 into 5. So this is equal to r. R is equal to 350. Okay. So this is about the downwards with a uniform acceleration. Now same in the theory what we had studied, the same, but it is in numbers. Upwards with a uniform acceleration of 5 meter per second square. Upwards with a uniform acceleration. Upwards means what I should do? I should draw and I should draw upside. Upwards with a uniform acceleration 5 meter per second square. Then what is the value we will get? So I am going to see it here. So what is the value? So here upwards. Upwards means A. First we have to take this one. So R, next step, minus mg is equal to m into E. So what is the value? R is equal to mg plus ma. So R is equal to m into g plus a. So what is the value? 70 into g means 10 plus a is how much? 5. So what is the value? 70 into 10 plus 5 is 15. So 15 zeros are 0, 15 sevens are 105. 10. Next, similarly, for the fourth bit, what would be the reading if the lift mechanism failed? So it is freely falling down, hurtled down freely under the gravity. What is the meaning of this one? Suddenly it falls down. When it falls down suddenly, what is the meaning of this one? A is equal to G. So what is the normal reaction? Same thing, same formula. R is equal to m into G minus A. So R is equal to what should I write? M into G minus, in place of A, what should I write? G. Why? Because it is freely falling down. So R is equal to 0.